This clip is for beginners and everyone who has back pain and want to try to unwind with yoga. I chose 5 yoga poses that I think everyone can follow me easily and safely. Today we're going to practice in bed. So what we need is 1 pillow and 1 side pillow. So move the rest out, get ready, and let's start. So we're going to start lying down on our back. Extend your arms and legs to the 4 corners of the bed. Then start with simple, easy breathing. Just keep in mind to breathe in and out deeply along the whole practice. Do not hold your breath. Slowly close your eyes and imagine that you're like a little starfish that has 5 limbs. Allow your head to be the 5th. Let's begin. Inhale, reach out to the 5 limbs. Exhale, release. Inhale, reach. Exhale, release. Inhale, feel like someone is pulling your wrists and your ankles out from the center. Exhale, release. One more. Exhale, bring your arms and legs to center. Our first pose today is bridge pose. Go get a pillow and lie down again. Place your feet hip distance apart and have your heels in line with your knees. Place the pillow in between your legs. Press your feet and arms down to lift your hip up. Inhale. Exhale, slowly place your hip down. Squeeze your thighs into the pillow. Inhale. Exhale, slowly come down. Keep going with your breath. Inhale, lift. Exhale, come down. Last one, inhale, lift. Exhale, gently lower down. Now next, let's try holding the pose. Please be aware of your breath. Keep breathing. Do not hold your breath. Now inhale, lift your hip up and hold there. Keep breathing. Squeeze your glutes and your inner thighs at the same time. So you feel your spine long from the rib cage straight up to the knees. Last round, inhale. And exhale, slowly come down. Remove the pillow, then move your feet wider apart and drop your knees to the center. Breathe. Then now to the second pose, happy baby. Next, we're going to place the pillow under our hips. Prepare for bridge pose. Lift your hip, place the pillow, and have your hip down. And place your hip right in the middle of the pillow. Ready? Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, lower down. Right leg up, inhale. Slowly come down. Now left and right on your inhale. Pause here, hold and breathe. The weight now is in your upper back, not in the neck. Now hold your calves or your feet if you can. Knees wide out to the shoulders and feet facing up to the sky. How's your breath? Are you breathing? If you feel stable here, try to rock gently side to side. Happy baby. Last inhale in. Then exhale, hug your legs into your body. Keep your body rounded. Extend the arm and then roll out to the side. Move your knees wide, feet together, then sit down on your heels. Slowly place your arms down, walk your elbows forward, and place your forehead down. Relax. And this is Child's Pose, our third pose today. Just breathe and relax. Let your breath release the tension in your body and in your mind. Then we'll go to the next locust pose. Slowly come up and sit. For safety and a better understanding, let's use pillows. Place the side pillow first and cross the other pillow on top. Look at the photo. When you're all set, lie down. Have your shin at the top of the side pillow and let your hip crease be at the bottom edge of the top pillow. Extend your arms back and press the tops of the feet down so your knees become lifted. Inhale, prepare. Now exhale, pull your back from the top of your shoulders to lift your chest up, arms to the back. Inhale. And exhale, slowly come down. Now let's try again. Keep your legs active. Inhale. Exhale, press your hip, lift your belly, and pull to the back. Stay there, inhale. Slowly come down on your exhale. Now prepare to hold in the pose. Extend to your feet, inhale. Reach back to lift on your exhale. Feel your back muscles holding you up and stay there. 3 long deep breaths. Can you? If you feel this is too much, just come down. Last breath, inhale in. Then come down on your exhale. Relax. And lastly for today is Cobra Pose. You might have done this pose before, but if you feel pain in your lower back or wrist, you shouldn't. Now try to prepare your muscles in locust pose before pressing your hands down to lift higher in Cobra Pose. Let's try. Place your hands beside your chest. Press the tops of the feet down, knees off, like you're preparing for locust pose. Inhale, lift with your back. Press down to your hands to lift a little bit higher and lower on your exhale. Try again. Inhale, extend to the legs, press and lift. Slowly come down on your exhale. Keep your legs active. Inhale. Exhale down. Last one, prepare to hold. Inhale, lift and breathe. Extend long from your feet up to the head. Chest wide, neck long. One more inhale in. Exhale, slowly release and drop down onto the pillows. Prepare to relax. Relax your legs and have your hands beside your head, forehead down. Close your eyes and drop every part of your body heavily down. Relax and breathe. Allow your breath to release tension in your body and your mind. Last inhale in. Exhale, slowly press your hands down and lift your body up. Sit onto your heels. Instead of collapsing, extend your head up towards the sky. Breathe gently. If you're doing yoga in the right way, you should feel good every time after practice. If you feel pain in your joints, dizzy, or shortness of breath, just back off. Don't force. It takes some time for your body to change. So please practice with full awareness and listen to your body. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a good night. Namaste.